Yacht crews are trained to deliver exceptional service to billionaire guests. This service requires specialized skills and rigorous training. Expertise in psychology is crucial for understanding guest needs. Precision in execution ensures flawless service delivery. Maintaining absolute silence is often expected for discretion. Crews strive to anticipate and fulfill every guest expectation. Crew members learn to foresee guests' unspoken needs. This involves anticipating requests before they are verbalized. Drinks appear without guests needing to place an order. Temperature adjustments happen seamlessly and unnoticed. This proactive service enhances guest satisfaction and comfort. Preference sheets detail guests' likes and dislikes to personalize service. These sheets cover favorite meals, sleep schedules, and music tastes. They also specify privacy limits for guest comfort and security. The crew uses this info to anticipate guest needs and preferences. This proactive approach enhances the overall guest experience. Strict confidentiality agreements are signed by crew members. These agreements protect the privacy of guests. Phone use is restricted to maintain privacy. Cameras are forbidden to prevent unauthorized recording. Yacht crews ensure privacy for billionaire guests, acting as a buffer. They shield guests from intrusions and maintain a high level of discretion. Crew members carefully manage their expressions to avoid drawing attention. This controlled demeanor helps preserve the exclusive atmosphere on board. Crew members undergo specialized training to manage their reactions effectively. The training aims to eliminate surprise responses in various situations. Judgmental reactions are suppressed to maintain a neutral demeanor. Curiosity is controlled to ensure absolute discretion at all times. Yacht crews tailor service to each billionaire guest's preferences. Formality levels are adjusted based on individual requests. Daily meal plans are modified to accommodate specific dietary needs. Yacht routes can be altered without prior consultation. Yacht crews must adapt quickly to changing guest preferences. Plans can be rewritten overnight to meet new requests. This requires a high degree of flexibility from all crew members. Flexibility ensures guest satisfaction despite changes. Crew adaptability is a crucial skill in yacht service. Meeting unexpected demands enhances the guest experience. Crew training emphasizes using a positive tone when declining requests. Instead of direct refusals, offer alternative solutions to guests. This manages guest expectations while prioritizing safety protocols. Saying no constructively is key in maritime hospitality and safety. Careful language choice is crucial for effective communication. Maintaining a calm tone ensures a comfortable environment. Guests should never feel overly restricted or controlled. Balance guest autonomy with necessary safety regulations. Clear communication bridges the gap between desires and rules. This approach fosters cooperation and understanding. Crew shifts on luxury yachts ensure continuous operation. This system guarantees 24/7 service availability. Crew members are always alert and prepared. This ensures constant attention to guest needs. Yacht systems require continuous 24/7 monitoring by skilled engineers. This constant oversight ensures seamless operational performance. Engineers address any technical issues that arise promptly and efficiently. Their work is conducted discreetly to minimize disruption. This proactive approach maintains the yacht's optimal condition. Stewards work discreetly at night. They reset spaces in guest cabins. This ensures a pristine environment. The goal is to avoid disturbing guests. Rest is prioritized above all else. Chefs on yachts tailor menus to enhance the dining experience. Menu adjustments are based on the guest's mood. Weather conditions influence ingredient choices and meal preparation. Location impacts available ingredients and cultural culinary themes. This personalization offers unique culinary experiences for guests. On a yacht, any service issue must be addressed immediately. This includes delays or missing items. The priority is to resolve the problem calmly. Calm resolution prevents stress for the guests. Swift action maintains a positive guest experience. Effective problem solving is key to yacht service. Crew members undergo training to handle pressure discreetly. They learn to resolve issues effectively without causing alarm. Maintaining composure is a key aspect of their training. The focus is on silent problem solving behind the scenes. This ensures a calm and controlled environment during crises. Crew members must demonstrate trustworthiness in all interactions. Predictability in behavior is crucial for maintaining a secure environment. Professional conduct is essential at all times. These qualities are especially important when guests have valuables. Security teams rely on crew integrity for overall safety. Upholding these standards ensures a secure travel experience. Experienced yacht crew members undergo thorough background checks. This vetting process ensures high standards of trustworthiness. Background checks also confirm the crew's professionalism. These checks are essential for maintaining safety on board. Background checks protect the yacht owner's interests. Thorough vetting helps ensure a positive yachting experience. Yacht crew life involves long hours and constant vigilance. Crew members often work without days off during charters. Personal needs are secondary to the guest experience. This demanding lifestyle requires dedication and sacrifice. Crew members access a unique world. They gain experiences few others have. They master skills built on excellence. This is achieved despite demanding work. Managing billionaire guests requires a focus on control, comfort, and confidence. The primary goal is to create a relaxing and enjoyable environment for them. Control involves managing every aspect of their experience on board. Comfort ensures their needs are met with the highest standards of luxury. Confidence projects an image of competence and reliability to the guests. Yacht crews are responsible for protecting luxury assets on board. They ensure the privacy of guests, maintaining discretion. Crews establish a secure and private environment. This sanctuary allows powerful guests to relax. The yacht becomes a haven on the ocean. Crew professionalism is key to guest experience. Billionaires seek peace and tranquility. They desire an escape from daily pressures. This escape is often found on a yacht. The open ocean provides a sense of freedom. The yacht offers a private, luxurious space. The goal is to achieve relaxation and solitude. Yacht crews focus on delivering a flawless, high-end experience. They aim to anticipate and fulfill every need of their billionaire guests. This includes personalized services and attention to detail. Crews strive to create an atmosphere of ultimate luxury and comfort. Their goal is to exceed expectations and provide unforgettable experiences. The primary objective is to create a relaxing environment on the yacht. It aims to provide a space where individuals can unwind and de-stress. Privacy is a key element, ensuring a secluded and secure atmosphere. The ocean is transformed into a safe and comforting sanctuary. Potential risks associated with the sea are minimized or eliminated. The yacht becomes a haven for relaxation, privacy, and security.